today we'll do mixed combination of resistance. Okay, let's start. Mixed combination of resistance. समता अपनी current की copy देना. Like suppose if you got questions like this, R, then what will be the equivalent resistance? General equivalent
3R by 2.
resistance 3R by 2. Very good.
3R by 2.
Yeah, like always remember, when two resistances are in parallel, you will get equivalent half. Okay, you can apply this shortcut. Product in numerator and sum in denominator. Product in numerator and sum in denominator. So you will get R by 2. Okay, R and R by 2. This is R, this is R by 2. This is A and this is B. So you got RAB as 3R by 2. Like this. Okay. Always remember, when you get two resistances, two same resistance in parallel. Okay. When you get two same resistance in parallel, the equivalent will be half. Now, what if you apply an equal resistance in parallel? This is R, this is R.
R by N.
This is also R. This is also R. N times, suppose.
R by N.
Correct, R by N. See, you will add like this: 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus 1 upon R. N times. And then you will reverse them again. N by R, reverse your answer. R by N, like this. Always remember. Okay. Now let's attempt another question. We will increase levels one by one. Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Write this question. Light jala do. Wait a minute. A copper wire is cut in 10 equal parts. A copper wire is cut in 10 equal parts. Now, two pieces joined in series. Now two pieces joined in series, and then 5 such each part must have resistance R by 10. Now connect two parts in series. So R by 10, R by 10 in series. And then such 5 combination in parallel. 5 combination, 3.
R by
We need 2
25
more.
ohm.
We need 1 more. Okay. R by 10, 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 R by 10. So this you will get R by 5, right? R by 10 plus R by 10, R by 5. So you got R by 5 times.
R by 25.
Correct. R by 5. R by 5. So 1 upon R equivalent will be equal to 1 upon R by 5 plus 1 upon R by 5 5 times. 5 times. So you will get 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 5 upon R by 5. So your final answer is R equivalent is R by 25. Okay. This is your final answer. Now, let's solve one more question. Next question is two wires of same metal. Two wires of same metal have same length, but their area of cross section are in ratio 3 by 1. They are joined in series. They are joined in series. If R1 is equal to 10 ohm, then they are joined in series. If R1 is equal to 10 ohm, then total resistance of combination is then what? Then
30 ohm.
total wrong. Resistance of combination is R1 area. Okay. What is total resistance, bacho? I cannot give you more time. Suppose this is wire 1. Area of wire 1 is, suppose this is wire 1. Its area is 3A. Wire 1 has area 3A. Wire 2 is very thin. Its area is A. Okay. They have same length.
40
Wire
ohm.
2. So if and yes, 40 ohm is correct. And the resistance is given by rho L upon A. So what is resistance of wire 1? Rho L upon 3A. And resistance of wire 2? Rho L upon A. Okay. And according to question, R1 is rho L upon 3A is 10 ohm. So what is rho L upon A? So what is rho L upon A? 30. Understood? Which is R2. So R2 is 30. Now they are joined in series. 10 ohm and 30 ohm joined in series. So what is your answer? Total resistance is 40 ohm. Understood everyone?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
सर वहाँ पर रो एल कांस्टेंट है ना, इसलिए R1 A1
Yes,
is equal to
yes.
R2 A2 ले सकते.
Yes. Both the wires have same material. Okay. Now, let's talk about our next question. Our next question says that wait 1 minute. Okay. This is our next question, question number 3. This is 6 ohm, this is 10 ohm, and this is 15 ohm, bacho. This is A, this is B, okay. What is resistance between A and B? What is resistance between A and B? Tell me. Remember this note, bacho. Remember this note. If there is wire between 2 points, if there is wire between 2 points, those points must be same.
Approximately 29 ohms.
Wrong. Those points must be same. So if this is point A, and what is this? This is wire, right? So this point also must be A. But what should be the name of this point? A. Move ahead. What is name of this point, bacho?
A.
A. And this point?
A.
A. Right? Can you see this point, bacho? B. So this point also B. This point also B.
B.
If there is wire between 2 points, those 2 points must be same. Always remember. Now let's redraw the circuit diagram. This is point A and this
They
is
all are
point
in
B.
parallel.
2.73.
Correct. So this 6 ohm is between A and B. Redraw circuit diagram, and 6 ohm is between A and B. Okay. This 10 ohm is also between A and B. This is 10 ohm. And this 15 ohm is also between A and B. So how to find a resultant of 3 resistance in parallel? 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon, 15 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 6. So what will be LCM, bacho? 30. This is 2, this is 3, this is 6. 1 upon R equivalent. So R equivalent is 30 by 11 ohm. Understood, bacho? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Ready for next? Okay. I will give you very easy question, level 0 question, so that we learn first. Then we'll increase level. This is question number 4, I think. What is equivalent of this? This is 10 ohm. This is 15 ohm. What is equivalent between A and B? What is equivalent resistance between A and B? You can do it by like this. For these two, what you can do?
18 ohm.
Yes, 18 ohm is correct. Product by sum. Okay. 5 and this is 3, this is 2, this is 6 ohm. Okay. So you got finally 12 ohm and 6 ohm, because first these two are in parallel, right? These two are in parallel. First we'll solve parallel combination, and then these two are in series combination clearly. So resistance between A and B is 18 ohm. Okay. Now here, can I say this 12 ohm and 10 ohm are in series? Can I say this? Yes or no? 10
No,
ohm
sir.
and 12 ohm? No,
No,
they are
sir.
not in series. Good. They are not in series. Practically, they are not in series. Okay. Now let's move towards our next question. 10, 15, 20, 30. So 10 ohm, 15 ohm, this is A, this is B. What is equivalent resistance between A and B? What is equivalent resistance between A and B? Time over. See, this is point A, there is no doubt, right? And this is point B, there is no doubt. But when you start walking from B and you reach this joint, and this joint do not have any name, right? So we can give a new name to this joint. This joint cannot be B or A, because between B and this joint, there is resistance, not wire. So let's suppose this point has name C. Okay, let's give this joint name C. Okay, now let's redraw circuit diagram. Let's redraw this circuit diagram. This is point A, this is point B, and this is point C, suppose. Now this 10 ohm is between A and C, right? I made this 10 ohm between A and C. Any doubt? This 15 ohm is between A and C, like this. Now this 20 ohm is between C and B. And this 30 ohm is between C and B. Like this. 10 and 15 are in
Same
parallel,
हो गया
right? Same ho gaya. 10 and 15 are in parallel. So what you will get? 10 into 15 divided by 25. 3, 5, 2, 6. Here we'll get 6. At place of these two, we'll get 6. What will get here? 20 into 30 divided by 50. 12 ohm. Here we'll get 12 ohm. So our answer will be 18 ohm in this also. Understood? Ready for one more question?
Yes.
Okay. This is question number 6. Slowly we will increase level, bacho. You will learn everything. This is my guarantee. This is R. This is 2R. What is the resistance between A and B? First you will solve series or parallel? First you will solve
Parallel.
Parallel.
So these two are in parallel. Product by sum. So you got 2R by 3. And then 2R by 3 and R in series. R and 2R in series. So you'll get RAB as 5R by 3, right? Let's
Yes,
move
sir.
towards next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 says, this is R. This is R. This is R. This is also R. Okay. This is point A and this is point B. Find resistance between A and B. Can you do it? Can you do it? कम बच्चे हैं साउथ इंडिया के 15 बच्चे भी नहीं हो रहे 22 से 22-23 थे अभी देखो प्राइम बैच में कौन कौन आ रहा है अटेंडेंस ले लिया देख प्राइम की अटेंडेंस रोज ले लेना इसके बहुत बच्चे प्राइम में आने लग गए मैडम बोलेगी बच्चे नहीं आ रहे ठीक है
4R by 3.
4R by 3. Okay, we'll cross check. Let's redraw the circuit diagram. This is A and this is B. So this resistance is between A and B, right? This R is between A and B. Now I made this R. Its left hand were connected with A. Now other side of this resistance is connected with another resistance R. So I connected another resistance R. Now another resistance R is connected, and its other part is connected to B like this. So we got two resistance like this, 3R and R. See, you'll have to go very carefully. Very carefully. So you got 3R by 4. This is your answer. Okay. Question number 7. Now let's solve another question. Give me 1 minute, bacha. Resistance. Now let's solve this. This is R, this is R, this is 2R. This is R, this is 2R. This is R, this is 2R. R, 2R. R, 2R. What is the resistance between A and B? Tell me what is the resistance between A and B. How will you solve this question?
Four R is
No, 4R is wrong.
नहीं सर, हम इस तरफ से 4R लेके फिर वैसे ही सीरीज में जोड़ते जाएं.
वो 4R थोड़ी आएगा, वो तो R आएगा रे. क्या कर रहे हैं? See, R and R are in series. So what you'll get? What you'll get here? 2R. Right? And 2R and 2R will become in parallel. See, imagine this is 2R, okay? So I will make a 2R at the place of this R and R, okay? Can I make a 2R here? Yes or no? Can I make a 2R here?
R.
Yes, sir.
Now 2R will become, these 2R will
Parallel.
become R, right? So let's put a R. So we got R here. Again this R and R will become,
Series.
again this
2R.
2R. Okay, so I'll arrange again. I will attach a 2R at the place of this R and R. Now this 2R and 2R will become, Ganesh?
R.
R. So back to the R.
R equal to equal to R.
Now R and R will become 2R again, right?
2R.
And then 2R again, R, then R, then 2R again, R. Whoa. So we got
R ohm.
R ohm here. R and R again.
2R.
हाँ लगाइए 5:30 पे लगाइए. ग्रुप में अपडेट तो किया था. रोशन सर को मिला के ग्रुप बनाया, उसमें अपडेट किया था 5:30 पे क्लास है. ग्रुप में अपडेट किया है भाई, मजाक थोड़ी चल रहा है. This is 2R. So net resistance is R. Okay, happy? So how we solved this question? We went as far as possible from AB. We went far from AB. Let's watch our previous steps. See from which point we started solving this question. From which point? From where we started solving this question. We went far from AB. Do you agree? We started solving from as far as possible from AB, right? Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Like this. Now let's move towards our next question. Let's see how will you solve this problem. What is resistance between A and B? What is the resistance between A and B?
8 ohm.
8 ohm.
Correct. Very easy, right, bacho? Very easy. But in NEET, they will give you a question like this. In NEET, they will ask what value of R we should, at the place of R, which resistance we should connect so that equivalent resistance of this ladder will become independent of number of branches. What should be the value of R so that equivalent resistance between A and B will become independent of number of branches? Tell me, for what value of R equivalent resistance between A and B? Correct.
4.
Will become independent from number of branches. So when you put R is equal to 4 ohm, it will become independent from number of branches. Understood? Easy question. Okay, I believe there is no doubt in this question. Like this, we can solve lots of questions. We have big variety of question for questions like this. Okay, I can keep giving you questions. Not a big deal. But let's change pattern little bit. Okay, suppose if resistances are connected like this, then how will you find resultant? Infinite ladder, right heading, infinite ladder. This series will keep going till infinite. What is the resistance between A and B? Right heading, infinite ladder. This is known as infinite ladder.
1 ohm.
Wrong. ऐसे कुछ ही बोल दोगे क्या? 1 ohm. बताओ। चलो मैं करूं। देखो, स्टेप 1 इज leave one network which is repeating itself. Leave one network which is repeating itself. And assume result